So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that VidVoicer has been launched on 5th of July, where you can create instantly profit producing videos with voiceovers in any language without speaking a single word or hiring anyone. So today we do a quick review about this software, that which type of features you will get in this software. So let's take a look on this. So in the VidVoicer you can create unlimited gorgeous looking HD videos in our built-in video creator. So you can use the video creator in this software. And the second one is edit videos, add your logos, music, voiceovers, pictures and other videos using our easy to use customizable video editor. So VidVoicer is providing you inbuilt video editor where you can edit your videos, add your logos, music, voiceovers and much more. As we can see, you can create video content for your social media handles like Facebook, Instagram and other social media without being a creative genius. You can create any type of video with voiceovers for any business and any niche. You can generate customized voiceovers and podcasts from any script in 150 voices and 50 plus languages. That's the great news about the VidVoice. You can generate customized voiceovers and podcasts with the 50 plus languages and 150 plus voices you will get. Then if we talk about customized speech, so in the customized speech options you can control voiceovers volume level. Then second, voiceover works with any video software including Camtasia, Explendo, Adobe, etc. You can easily land premium clients in a hot niche that sells itself with commercial license. Build a profitable business and email list fast by offering videos and voiceovers with the market grabs. No fusing with a hard to use software if you are newbie. So this software has a friendly nature and zero learning curve. So if you are a beginner, you can go with it. So if we come down below, we can see start your own advanced video creation and voiceover business in just 3 steps. So here is the 3 steps that how you can create your voiceovers. So step 1, you can create your videos with voiceovers. As you can see, copy and paste text or use our easy keyword research or use images from the web or upload your own images and click create. Add any voiceovers to any video you create. For creating a voiceover audio file, simply paste or write your script into voiceover tool. Okay, then step 2, customize and edit your videos and voiceovers. So here you can add voiceovers, audio text, watermark, crop resolutions, volume, speed control, background music to your videos. Choose preferred voice and language, easily modulate, adjust tone, pitch and speed of your voiceovers in voiceover generator. Okay, then if we talk about step 3, so you can generate and monetize. So this is the last step. You can generate and monetize your voiceovers and videos with a few clicks and impress your clients with the quality and pocket 100% of the revenue. There are many ways to monetize this video. To see an easy affiliate promo, watch the video at the top of the page. So you can also watch this video by yourself. I have mentioned link in the description box of this page. You can directly go through there and just learn about more by yourself on this page. So yeah, that's the quick review about it. In order to purchase this, I have mentioned the purchasable link in the description box. If you purchase through my link, I will also give you my premium bonuses. This is $1,000 worth bonuses. Once you have purchased, just send me the screenshot of the purchasable page and I'll give you my premium bonuses as well. So yeah, that's all about get VidVoiceover now. And the best thing is VidVoicer provides you 30 days money back guarantee. So it would be very risk free for you. You can purchase this, try it. If you think that it is valuable for you, you can continue it. Otherwise, you can get your money back. So that's all about it. I'll catch you in the next review.